Hello, grade 7. Today we're going to be talking about chapter 2, lesson 2, forces of change. First, let's start by defining a continent. A continent is a large, unbroken mass of land that's considered a part of the Earth's crust. They have shifted and moved over time. We have 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Here is a map showing all the 7 continents. Here, as you can see, North America and South America. Here we have Africa, Europe, Asia. The small one here is Australia, and here we have the Antarctica. Why the North Pole isn't a continent? Although the North Pole is very big, it consists of no land mass. It is entirely made of dense ice and not land, so we do not consider the North Pole as a continent. Why Greenland isn't a continent? Greenland here, as you can see on the map, it is not considered as a continent because it isn't large enough. However, it is considered the largest island on Earth. The surface of Earth changes over time, even though you usually cannot feel. But why? This is because Earth's surface is like many puzzle pieces pushed close together. They are floating on the sea of boiling rock. The movement of pieces creates many of Earth's landforms, such as mountains, hills, and so on. Here, as you can see, this is the Earth's crust. It is made of 16 huge pieces of land. They are called the tectonic plates. Here are the tectonic plates. What happens when plates collide or move apart, or hit? New landforms are formed. Mountain ranges can result. When they move apart and crack, can form and magma can rise through the crust, then form a new crust as it moves. Something else could appear, such as a fault, which can occur, which is a place where two plates grind together. What are the two causes of earthquakes? The first one, when rocks on either side of a fault move, a shaking or a trembling of Earth's crust. The second one, when volcanoes erupt. How did the Ring of Fire get its name? Tectonic plates, which lie at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, the edges of these plates have been forced under the edges of plates surrounding the ocean. These movements led to the creation of a long narrow band of volcanic around the Pacific Ocean called the Ring of Fire. What is a tsunami? Tsunami is an earthquake causes shaking of earth. When this happens in the ocean can cause an enormous wave called tsunami. Tsunami can cause terrible destruction along the coastline. There are two more forces such as weathering and erosion. What is the difference between weathering and erosion? Weathering is a process by which the Earth's surface is worn away by forces such as wind, rain, chemicals, plants, movement of ice, and flowing water. For example, we have the Appalachians Mountain in the United States. They have been weathered and we have round peaks. But erosion is a process in which a weathered bits of rock moved by water, wind, or ice, such as the Grand Canyon was formed by weathering and erosion. What are the two ways that can an ocean affect the coastline? First, ocean waves pounds rocks into small pieces of sand, then deposits the sand to the coastline. The second one, rivers deposit soil where they empty into lakes and ocean. Define glaciers, a large body of ice that moves slowly across the land. We also have other forces such as human actions, which change Earth, such as mining, cutting down forests, digging canals, and also pollution. So, today we were talking about two divisions of the forces of change. We have the natural forces and the human forces. Thank you.